Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see angles made by a transversal. It's a very important concept in lines and angles. Okay, so we'll see now. Before going to see angles made by a transversal, first of all we'll see what is transversal. Okay, so transversal is nothing but a straight line that intersects two or more straight lines at two distinct points. Okay, so transversal ante enti ante two or more straight lines, straight ga unna lines ni two distinct or more distinct points దగ్గర intersect చేసాయి. సో ఇలా మనం ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తే if it is PQ or straight lines and R is another line that intersecting P and Q at distinct points and two separate points దగ్గర కట్ చేస్తుంది కదా. So this R is called a transversal line. Okay, so like this also you can draw. This is a straight line, say it as P, and again this also a straight line, let it be Q. Now I am drawing another line like this. This is R. See, this R line intersects P and Q at two distinct points X and Y. So here R is a transversal line. So simply what is transversal line? Two straight lines ni distinct points దగ్గర కట్ చేసే లైన్ నే మనం ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ లైన్ అని అంటాం. Okay, transversal line is a straight line that intersects two or more straight lines at distinct points. So in page number 149, let's think problem is there. We'll see. In the given figure, the line L intersect other two lines M and N at A and B respectively. Here L is there now. So this L, M అనే లైన్ ని A దగ్గర ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేసింది and N అనే లైన్ ని B దగ్గర ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేసింది. Hence L is a transversal. So at two distinct points దగ్గర ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేస్తే straight lines ని దాని transversal అని అంటాం కదా. So is there any other transversal in the figure? Give reason. So ఇంకా ఏమైనా transversal lines ఉన్నాయా అని the question. Okay, so what is transversal line? If a straight line intersects the two straight lines at two distinct points అంటే separate points దగ్గర intersect చేయాలి. Okay, so yes, there are another transversal lines. Here M, see this M cuts L at A, okay, and N at C at two distinct points దగ్గర కట్ చేస్తుంది. So M is a transversal. Coming to the N, this is N. It cuts M at C, M at C and L at B. N and L intersect at B. So two straight lines అనేవి distinct points దగ్గర కట్ చేసింది కాబట్టి M and N are also transversal. And in the same, let's think, we have the second question also. How many transversals can be drawn for the given pair of lines? Here, how many lines we can draw means so many lines we can draw. See, first suppose this is a pair of straight lines. It is a transversal. And I can draw like this now. So many I can draw for these two straight lines. So we can write infinite number of or so many transversals can be drawn for given pair of lines. Okay, so now we will see angles made by a transversal. Angles made by a transversal. Okay, see here L and M are two parallel lines and N is another line that is intersecting at two distinct points. So N is a transversal. So here total 4 angles will form. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be an And here also 4 angles will form. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So total how many angles are there now? 8 angles formed. Right. So first see what are the angles lying in between the lines? What are the angles lies in between the lines? So ఈ లైన్స్ మధ్యలో ఉండేవి యాంగిల్స్ ఏవి 3, 4, 5, 6. So these angles are lying inside the lines. Lines ki lopala unnai inside. So they are called interior angles. So what are the interior angles? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are the interior angles. So these are called interior angles. And what are the angles that are not inside the angles? Inside కాకుండా ఉన్న angles ఏవి 1, 2, 7, 8. That means they are lying outside the lines. Right? So they are called exterior angles. So here what are exterior angles? That means outside the angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. So exterior angles these are. Next we'll see here in the interior angles also two angles or the angles which lies on the same side of the transversal. This is transversal line, right? So ఈ transversal line కి ఒకే వైపున ఉన్న interior angles నే మనం co-interior angles అని అంటాం. Okay, the angles which lies on the same side of the transversal. The interior angles which lies on the same side of the transversal are called co-interior angles. So what are the co-interior angles here? Angle 4, angle 5, one pair, and next angle 3, angle 6 or one pair. So these are called co-interior angles. Similarly, co-exterior angles. So exterior angles lies on the same side of the transversal are called co-exterior angles. So what are the co-exterior angle pairs? Angle 1, angle 8. This is one pair, and angle 2, angle 7. This is another pair. So co-exterior angle means the exterior angles which lies on the same side of the transversal line. Co-interior angles means the interior angles which lies on the same side of the transversal line. Exterior means outside. Two lines ki outside na unde. Interior means inside the lines. And there are two lines in between the two lines lo unde. Okay. So these are very easy. And next one, the most important one. So now you know what is interior angle and what is exterior angle. Okay. So in the next pair, one angle must be interior, the other must be exterior, and the third condition, they both lie on the same side. Okay. ఒకటి ఇంటీరియర్ అవ్వాలి, ఒకటి ఎక్స్టీరియర్ అవ్వాలి, రెండు ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ లైన్ కి ఒకే వైపున ఉండాలి. సో అలాంటి పేర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? This is interior and this is exterior and this is interior, and another condition అవి adjacent angles అవ్వకూడదు, అంటే side by side న ఉండొద్దు. Okay, so angle 1 is exterior, angle 4 interior, but they are adjacent angles న కామన్ ఆర్మ్ ఉంది కదా. సో అలాంటివి కాకుండా angle 1 and angle 5, one is exterior and angle 5 is interior. Similarly, angle 4 is interior, angle 8 is exterior. They lie on same side of the transversal. And coming to this side, angle 2 exterior, angle 6 interior. Okay, lies on same side. And next, angle 3 interior, angle 7 exterior. They are not adjacent angles and they lie on the same side. So the angles like this, the pair of angles like this are called corresponding angles. What are these? Corresponding angles. So how can you define a corresponding angle? Corresponding angles are the angles. One angle is exterior, the other angle is interior. They both are not adjacent angles and they lie on the same side of the transversal. So these angles are called corresponding angles. Okay. Next, see the angles in the shape of as X. Angle 3, angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6. See, observe this. Here angle 4 is one side of the transversal, angle 6 is another side. Okay, that means they are opposite. Angle 5 is one side and angle 3 is another side. Here they both are interior. Angle 3, angle 5 and angle 4, angle 6. Okay, so these two are interior and lies on either side of the transversal. So the angles which are like this are called alternate interior angles. So they are lying alternate na ఒకటి ఇటువైపు ఉంటే ఇంకొకటి అటువైపు alternate days అంటే ఏంటి రోజు మార్చి రోజు కదా సో ఇక్కడ లైన్ కి ఒకటి ఇటువైపు ఇంకొకటి ఇటువైపు సో రెండు ఇంటీరియర్ కాబట్టి alternate interior angles these are. Okay, so next in the same way you can write alternate exterior also. So the both angles should be exterior and they both lie on either side of the transversal. So see angle 2, angle 8, angle 1, angle 7. Okay, so these are the alternate exterior angles. So these are the different types of angles formed when a transversal line intersects the pair of lines. Okay, so interior angle means the angles which lies in between the lines. Exterior angle means the angles which are not interior. Interior kanivanni exterior 1, 2, 7, 8. So co-interior angles means the angles which lie on the same side of the transversal. Okay, angle 4, angle 5, angle 3, angle 6. And co-exterior angle means the exterior angles which lie on the same side of the transversal. Angle 1, angle 8, angle 2, angle 7. Okay, next coming to the corresponding angles, these three are very important. We use in problems. Corresponding angles means one angle must be interior, the other angle exterior and they both are not adjacent angles. They must lie on the same side of the transversal. That is corresponding. And alternate interior means the both angles should be interior. The name itself interior, na? So the both should be interior and they lie on either side of the transversal. So that means they lie on both sides. Okay. Same alternate exterior means that both angles must be exterior and they lie on either side of the transversal. Okay. So these are the angles made by a transversal.